Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Axon Software in Windows 7 operating system. Before I start the installation procedure, there are a few settings you'll have to do in your system. First of all, click on Start button, select Control Panel option. In that one, please find Windows Firewall option. In Windows Firewall, at the left hand side, you'll find Advanced Settings. Just click on that one. As soon as you'll click on Advanced Setting, the new window will pop up. In that one, select Inbound Rules at the left hand side. Right click on Inbound Rules, select New Rule option. In the New Rule option window, select Port and just click on Next. Let it be the TCP connection. Specify the local port with 3306 and just click on Next. Allow all the connections and just click on Next. Let it be all tick domain, private and public and just click on Next. Specify the rule name with MySQL underscore TCP underscore 3306 all in a capital letters and just click on Finish. As soon as you click on Finish, you'll find that the new rule which you have just added, it's on the top. The same rule you have to apply for outbound rules. Select Outbound Rules, right click on that one, select New Rule option, select Port and just click on Next. Let it be the TCP connection, specify the remote port with 3306 and just click on Next. Allow all the connections and just click on Next. All supposed to be ticked, domain, private and public, just click on Next. Specify the rule name with MySQL underscore TCP underscore 3306 and just click on Finish. The new rule is on the top again. Here you are done with the first prerequisite setting to install the software. Let's proceed with the second one. For that one, go to Control Panel main page. Click on User Account and Family Safety. Click on User Accounts. In that one, find Change User Account Control Settings at the right hand side and just click on that one. In User Account Control Setting window, this button it's supposed to be on Never Notify always. If in your system it's in the middle or on the top or anywhere else but Never Notify, then drag it and put it on a Never Notify. As soon as you'll do this change, it will ask your permission to do it. Just click on OK on that message. After, it will ask you to restart your computer. I recommend that please do restart your computer after you have done with these changes. Just click on OK and you are done with the prerequisite setting to install the software. Now let's begin with the installation procedure. For that one, please find Axon installable v4 folder in the CD and put it on your desktop. Double click on that folder and in that folder find Axon setup file. There are a few other files also there. But for the installation procedure, find Axon setup file and double click on it. As soon as you'll double click, the window will pop up. In that one, choose multi-user setup and just click on Next. If you are installing server machine, click on server machine and just click on Next. Now here, if you have a 32-bit operating system, you don't have to worry about this option. But if you have a 64-bit operating system, just click on this option here. To know how many bit of operating system you have, right click on My Computer on the desktop, select Properties option. In this one, system type will tell you how many bit of operating system you have. As you can see, I have a 64-bit operating system. So in that case, I'll have to tick on this option. Now let's begin with the server setup installation. Just click on this icon here and as soon as you'll click on this icon, the extracting installation file window will open up there. It might take a little bit time to move forward as it's an installation procedure. For the installation procedure, this server setup help and this question mark, if you click on this question mark, it will help you, it will guide you with a screenshot for the whole installation procedure on which window you have to choose what and everything. As you can see, We're on the welcome screen here for the server setup. Just click on next on the welcome screen. Choose a complete setup and click on next. Click on install button here and it will install the MySQL server. As you can see in this help window, it will guide you for the whole process, for the whole server installation procedure. It will be really helpful for you. Same for the driver setup. It will ask with the screenshot on which screen you have to choose which option, and everything it will guide you. So it might be really helpful for you. So make sure for you watch these screenshots. As you can see, it is taking a while. In this main installation window, this firewall settings, Windows Vista settings, Windows 7 settings, this all file will guide you on which system you have. Firewall settings, which we have done, Windows Vista settings. If you have a firewall settings which we have just done, it will guide you how to do it. It's a copying new files. Okay, so if you have a 64-bit operating system, you'll see this screen, and if you have a 32-bit, you won't. Just click on next on this screen. You are done with the first wizard of a server, and as soon as you'll click on finish, the new wizard welcome screen will be there. Just click on next. Let it be the detailed configuration and just click on next. Select server machine and just click on next. Let it be the multifunctional database. Just click on next. Let it be the default path and just click on next here. Choose decision support and just click on next. Both of them enable TCP IP networking and enable strict mode. Both of them should be ticked. Make sure that you have 3306 option here and just click on next. Choose standard character set and just click on next. Click on include bin directory in Windows path and just click on next. Write down the password 123, confirm it with 123 and click on enable root access from remote machine and just click on next. Click on execute. As soon as you click on execute, this all 4 options are supposed to be ticked. If any one of them is not ticked, then please contact us. There is something wrong with the installation procedure. There is something wrong with the prerequisite settings. As you can see, these 4 options are ticked here now. Just click on finish. Now let's begin with the driver setup. Click on driver setup icon. On the welcome screen, just click on next. Choose a complete setup type and just click on next. Click on install and it will install the connector. Again, it might take a little bit of time to install it. You're done with the wizard completed. Just click on finish. Now let's move to the software setup. Just click on software setup icon. Click on next on a welcome screen. Accept all the license agreement. let it be the default installation folder and just click on next. Click on install. As you can see, all the files are coming into your system. It might take a little bit of time. Click on next. These are some important information, just read it through. Just click on finish on the next screen. Let's just go through the final update. Just click on final update and you'll get this message. Click on finish button to complete the installation. Just click on OK, and on the main screen you'll find here is the finish button. Just click on finish and you're done with the installation procedure. Just double click on the Axon icon, and if it will ask you for the system date, then just change the system date. Just click on submit button on the login screen. And you are done with the installation procedure. Your software is ready to use. Thank you for watching the video.